We're at
Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas.
It's so cool.
It is so cool. There are 10 Cadillacs behind us, just stuck nose down into the dirt and spray painted galore.
And like they just continue to evolve. There's probably a layer this thick of spray paint on each one of them, but there's 3 spray paint over there and you can just go at it.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And it's just off the freeway, super close into town too, so it's a perfect stop if you're doing Route 66 or just a cross-country road trip. All right, let's check out these awesome Cadillacs.
Looks like our time is up though, huh?
It looks like it.
Got a crowd of about 20 people coming.
I also learned how all the free spray paint gets here because everybody brings their own spray paint to the Cadillac Ranch and then they just leave it behind because who the heck needs spray paint after this?
Yeah.
If you want to bring your own spray paint, you can. If not, there's a lot of people who bring it for you, so
Yeah.
your call.
First one I picked up had plenty in it, so.
Tons. We're going to get breakfast, I think.
Yes.
McDonald's.
No, we should look up someplace.
Oh yeah, we'll look up someplace. All right, we're leaving. It's cold. Bye.
Look at people spray paint all in the street here too.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
That one says Mississippi.
You did it! Check that out! The couple.
We are
Right.
leaving.
Hold on. Okay, I just want to trip though. Let's check it out. Ooh. Let's check it out. I'm so white.
The second one I picked. I didn't pick up any.